but some of them are just absolutely scratched up to shoes everywhere. So the Golden Goose shoes are made in Italy, so they are like perfection Italian leather design, quality, like everything, but they are made to look worn, which is a little bit interesting. I don't think it would suit everybody. I think some people prefer a very clean look to shoes, but at least with these they're already worn, so you don't really have to baby them and you don't have to worry too much because, I mean, they're already worn, so how much more worn can they get, really? Hello, welcome back to my channel, Billiexluxury. So today I'm wearing exactly the same clothes because I just literally filmed my last video, so if you haven't seen that, I will link it above. It is a review of my Tiffany Diamonds by the Yard necklace. So today we are doing another Golden Goose unboxing. This is the second pair of Golden Gooses that I have purchased. I purchased one and I loved them so much that I had to go back and buy another one. So today we are going to unbox those. But first, if you love all things luxury, this channel is the place for you. I would love you to subscribe and join my beautiful luxury community. I like to do videos, unboxings, reviews, insights, that sort of thing, all about my luxury purchases and the latest collections, things like that. So if you love watching that sort of stuff on YouTube, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. And anyway, welcome to this video. So today we're going to unbox my latest Golden Gooses, and then I'm going to show you everything that they came with, and then I will show you the pair that I bought a few weeks ago as well. Talk about sizing, wear and tear, that sort of thing, all the details of the shoes. So without further ado, here's my package. I bought it from Farfetch. I bought the last ones from Farfetch. I'm really impressed with Farfetch. They come so quickly. I've never had any issues, so really happy with Farfetch. I do get a 10% discount because I'm an essential worker, because I'm a nurse. But if you are not an essential worker, then there's like 10% discount codes floating around everywhere. You can search them in the YouTube search bar, Farfetch discount, and there's heaps of videos that will give you a discount code. And so far it's worked on both of my pairs of shoes, my particular discount. So yeah, if you want a discount, definitely look up in the search bar of YouTube, Farfetch discount. So this is my latest Farfetch. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I just really like buying from them. So what I got, put this down, is, this is the details. White, purple and black in a size 38. I'm generally in shoes a 37.5, so I size up in these just because my feet fluctuate a bit in summer and they swell a bit. So even though now we're in winter in Australia, they're kind of a bit loose, but I mean, they're still fine. But in summer, they'll be perfect. So this is not quite a genuine unboxing because I've already been wearing them, but I just want to show you how they come. So the box is pretty cool. It's got all this sort of reflection on the box. The dust bag has this. For dream use only, not designed for other activities. So that's pretty cool dust bag. Every pair of Golden Goose will come with a passport, Golden Goose passport, which shows that it's authentic. And I do believe, maybe it's just that, maybe it's the QR code that is your particular pair's authenticity. So anyway, you need to get a passport with a QR code for a genuine pair of Golden Goose. The tissue paper always comes ruffled because they're supposed to look worn. So this is the second pair that I got, with the purple glitter star. This back bit is kind of like crinkly, if you can see what I mean. Like it's got a crinkled sort of appearance. This area looks worn. One of the shoes has these silver bits sticking out, but the other side doesn't. The laces have Golden Goose written all over them. And the beautiful star is glitter. there is a black tab on this pair, but they don't always come with a tab. Some of the tabs are different colors. Some of them don't have anything on the tongue at all. And superstars. So as you can see, the inside is kind of almost like a terry toweling sort of material, and that runs the entire way through. The back area has sort of a suede bit at the back and cushioning, so they don't rub on your heel at all. But the inside is pretty much all that terry toweling sort of material. Let me just take it out. The insert has a heel, so it gives you a really nice, let me just focus. The insert has a heel, so it gives you a really nice elongated leg sort of look, like as if you're wearing kind of a high heel, but not. So yeah, that's it without the insert in. And yeah, you can just see all that terry toweling material throughout. So the first pair I bought a few weeks ago is these glitter star ones. So they have silver glitter all over except for the center. And then it's just black, plain black at the back. So they're pretty much exactly the same, like the laces say Golden Goose, but it's just a grey, more worn sort of lace. And then you can see that there is a blue tab on the tongue, so a little bit different. So I bought these a few weeks ago and they're just so comfy. Some people say they're not comfy, but I find them really, really comfy. Little air holes as well through there that go all the way through to the shoe. So I just find them absolutely like the most comfortable shoe ever, and really, really stylish looking. They look really cool with any outfit. Here in Australia, it's winter, so I'm wearing sort of a lot of pants and tights and jumpers, so they look really cool and really trendy. But I mean, you can definitely wear these with dresses as well. They, you know, any sort of look, they look really funky and cool and just so different. And I feel like a lot of people have no idea what they are. So yeah, this is my first pair. This one has like worn bits all over, you know, but the glitter is perfection. There is no areas missing glitter. The glitter is really hard wearing. Like I feel like it won't come off very easily. These are just really cool. After getting the glitter pair, I then wanted like a more subtle white pair. So then I got these ones. So this is the difference between the two. So my next pair, I've already found the next ones that I want, and they have a glitter star and glitter across the back, and then they're white, and then this whole tongue bit is like a suede. So that'll be my next purchase, I think. And then I think 3 is probably enough. But yeah, they're so comfy. I would recommend size up slightly. So for me, it was half a size bigger. It was kind of hard to figure out what size I needed. I watched heaps of YouTube videos and just tried to get people's ideas. Some people said stick to your size, that they're pretty true to size. Some people said size up, so it was really confusing. And where I am, we don't have a store that we can go in and try them on. So I thought, at least Farfetch, you can return things if they're not right. So I thought I'll size up and I'll get a 38. And I think in summer, these will be absolutely perfect. I think that when my feet expand because of the heat, I think they will, I mean, they're perfect now. They're fine now. The idea is to have this really worn look, so they're all very famous for the wear and tear on them. Some are way more worn than others. I like more of a clean sort of aesthetic, I guess, the cleaner-ish ones, but some of them are just absolutely scratched up to shiz everywhere. So it depends what you like. I like more of a clean sort of aesthetic, but you can definitely get way more worn ones if you want. They range in price. I think these ones with my discount were about 580 Australian. These ones were a little bit more. I think these ones were like 680-ish. But they vary so much in price, and probably with Farfetch where they're coming from as well. I think these 2 pairs came from the Netherlands, but they have stores all over the place that they send from. So yeah, I really love them. I feel like they're just so comfy and they're really cool looking, and yeah, I definitely plan on getting one more. Hope you enjoyed my little short but sweet review. I will link the the review of this one, like my unboxing first impression sort of review video, in the description below, and I will link it above if you want to watch me unbox that one. But I hope you enjoyed this little video. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notifications bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, which is every single week. So yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think of my choices in the comments. See ya!